Right now we are watching Mom play Wii Sports Boxing. Look at that velocity.
Why are you working?
Look at how close she gets to the screen. She's not playing today, folks. She's not playing. She's at it again. Not taking any prisoners. Look at her go. Ferocious. There are sweat beads dripping off of her forehead. Out of breath. This game is no joke. Will we get back up? No. And she is victorious.
He was so tough. Look at the replay.
Everybody, this is what I live with every day.
Serious.